Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about artificial intelligence. In March 2016, AlphaGo competed with Storley, the world champion and professional non-stage chess player, and won this one-machine game with a total score of 4-1. In May 2017, AlphaGo competed with KJ and won by a total score of 3-0. It is generally acknowledged that AlphaGo has accessed the top level of professional human. In the World Professional Go ranking published by Go Ranking website, its ranking has excess of KJ, who is the first player in human ranking. Greater in his paper said that AlphaGo is the first AI robot to defeat professional human Go player and world champion. It was developed by a team led by DeepMind, a company owned by Google. AlphaGo is an effective application of artificial intelligence technology. We want to know, what is artificial intelligence? What categories did artificial intelligence contain? Artificial intelligence is a new technology or science that studies and develops through means technology and application system for simulating, extending, and expanding human intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science, and is a type to understand the existence of intelligence and produce a new intelligent machine that can respond in a similar way to human intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a challenging science, and people engaged in this work must understand computer knowledge psychological. Generally speaking, one of the main goals of artificial intelligence research is to enable machine to compete for complex tasks that usually require human intelligence. Research in this field includes natural language process, expect system, intelligent control, and intelligent robot. Next, I'm going to talk about natural language process. Natural language process is technological that use natural language to communicate with computer. Cambria in this paper points out that the key to NLP is to let computer understand natural language. NLP is also called natural language understanding, also known as computation linguistics. On the other hand, the branch of language information process is one of the core topics of artificial intelligence. Natural language understanding is a new frontier subject, which involves linguistics, psychology, logical, and mathematics and computer science, and is based on linguistics and the study of natural language understanding. Has intelligence, the knowledge of modal phonological grammar, and pragmatics. At the same time, it has put forward a series of problems and requirements to model. The central question and the display need to solve this. How does language organization and transfer information? How do people get information from a series of logical symbols? The application of natural language process can be divided into three categories. The first is text concretization. Text concretization refer to the production of a proximate category by a given text. The purpose of text concretization is to concrete the sum of a document automatically. The second is speech recognition. Speech recognition is how to understand human speaking. The text of speech recognition is converts the auto-signature and natural language and spoken language into corresponding word square that meets the speaker expectation. The third is motion translation. Motion translation means convert the text of one language to another. Motion translation, the automatic translation of text or speech from one language to another, is one of the most important applications of natural language process. Expect system is an intelligent computer program system. It contains a lot of knowledge and expert to expect in a certain field. It can use human expert knowledge and a problem-solving method to deal with problems in this field. This is to say, expert system is program system with great deal of experience. It applies artificial intelligence technology to reason and judgment according to the knowledge and experience provided by one or more experts in a certain field, and simulated the decision-making process of human expert, so as to solve this human expert. In short, the expert system is a computer program system that simulates human expert to solve a domain problem. The basic workflow to the expert system is that the user answers the system question through the man-machine interface, and the interface energy machine the information input by the user with the condition of the rule in the knowledge base, and the store and the conclusion of the matched rules in the comprehensive database. Finally, the expert system will draw the final conclusion to the user. The application of the expert system includes the following fields: fault isolation, scheduling, production, and diagnosis. Next is intelligent control. Intelligent control is a control mode with intelligent information process. Intelligent information feedback and intelligent decision making is the advancing stage of the development of control through. It's mainly used to solve the control problem of complex systems which are difficult to be solved by traditional machines. The meaning of intelligent control research objects are under mass machine model. Highly non-linear and complex text requirements, the main goal of intelligent control research is no longer the controlled object, but the control itself. Control is no longer a single mass machine model, but a generalized model combining mass machine analysis with knowledge system. It's a control system combining multiple disciplines and knowledge. Intelligent control through is based on future plot and control dynamic process. Reason based on knowledge and experience and intelligent decision making. A good intelligent controller should have the smooth model, variable structure, and variable parameter. It can recurrently learn and organize its own control mode according to the control dynamic process and change the schedule and adjustment property of the controller. The specific application of intelligent control mainly lie in the following aspects. The first is intelligent control in the production process. The intelligence control in the production process mainly include local level intelligent control and global level intelligent control. Local level intelligent control referring to introducing intelligence into a certain unit in the process and design the controller. The intelligent control at the global level is mainly aimed to the automation of the whole production process. The second is intelligent control as an advanced manufacturing system. Intelligent control is what used in machine manufacturing industry. Model advanced manufacturing systems need to rely on incomplete and inaccurate data to solve difficult or unpredictable situation. Artificial intelligence technology provides some effective solution to solve this problem. The third is intelligent control in power system. The design, production, operating, and control of generators, transformer, motor, and other electric equipment in power system is a complex process. Electric work have introduced artificial intelligence technology into the optimization design, fault and control of electric equipment, and achieve good control results. Then is intelligent robot. Intelligent robot is called intelligent robot because it has quite development brain. The central process play a role in the brain, which is directly related to this who operates. The most important thing is that such a computer can act according to the purpose. Intelligent robot can understand human language and talk with operating in human language. It can analyze the situation to adjust their action to achieve all the requirements of the operator, and complete this action in a replete changing situation of industry information and environmental condition. Most experts believe that intelligence reports should have at least the following three elements. The first is the feeling element, which helps to understand the surrounding environment of intelligence report. The second is moving elements, which help intelligence report respond to extended action. The third is thinking elements, which help the report to thinking. What kind of action should be used according to the information available? Intelligence reports can be classified into two categories. The first is the primary intelligence reports. The primary intelligence report has feeling, recognition, reasoning, and judgment ability, like people, and can modify the problem in a certain range according to the change of external conditions. Besides, it can adapt to the change of external conditions to make corresponding adjustments. However, the principle of modify the producer is principle in advice. The second is advanced intelligence report. Advanced intelligence report has the same primary feeling, recognition, responding, and judgment ability like the primary intelligence reports. It can also modify the program in a certain range according to the change of the external condition. The difference is that the rules of modified program are not produced by human beings, but acquired by robots themselves through learning and sum-up experience. Therefore, its intelligence is higher than the primary intelligence report. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.